On Sweden's west coast lies a region that feels lighter, more open, closer to the sea. This is Halland. And here life follows a slightly different rhythm. Halland is a coastal region in western Sweden, stretching along the Kattegat coast between larger cities but rarely defined by them. It's not one place, but a continuous strip of coastline, fields, and small towns, all shaped by the same landscape. Halland is defined by its coastline, long sandy beaches, low dunes, and a horizon that never really closes. Unlike much of Sweden, the landscape feels wide, almost continuous. The sea here is the Kattegat, a sea between the North Sea and the Baltic, more open than the Baltic, more exposed. The wind is almost always present, not dramatic, just consistent. Life in Halland is closely tied to the coast. Swimming, walking, cycling along the shoreline. In summer, the region changes. The population increases. And everything seems to move toward the water. Leaving the coast, the landscape begins to shift. The wide fields meet rising hills, and the land slowly starts to close in. Open farmland gives way to forests and more varied terrain. It becomes a more rugged landscape, denser, where the open horizon is replaced by the stillness of the woods. Life here follows the seasons, quiet in winter, active in summer. The rhythm isn't fixed. It adjusts with the light, the weather, and how close you are to the sea that day. Halland doesn't try to stand out. There are towns like Halmstad or Varberg, but they don't define it on their own. What defines Halland is the combination of sea, wind, and open land, and a sense that everything stretches just a little further than expected. Halland isn't dramatic, but it doesn't need to be. It's shaped by the coast and by the space around it, and that is enough. Subscribe to discover Sweden the Swedish way.